Hello everybody, welcome back to Design Mechanic. Hope all are doing good. Today we are going to make this part model by using simple tools in Solidworks 2016. I have taken the dimensions from the machine drawing book and I have given the link of that book in the description. So go and check out. Let's get into the video. Let us change the units to mmgs. Click on custom, mmgs. Now choose top plane, sketch, select rectangle, place the center point, and now dimension it 60. This is 75. Okay, now let us make this line construction. Choose center arc, place the center point at the midpoint of this. This is our radius 30. Okay, now enter to repeat. Okay, now let us give it as 10 radius from this side to the central line. Now give the radius as 10. Okay, now it's fully constrained, and now choose line connecting the circle. Okay, enter to repeat, touching the circle. Okay, now let us trim. Okay, exit from the sketch, extrude boss base, mid plane, give the value as 15. Okay, now choose this face, sketch, center line, draw a center line, dimension this from the edge 65. Okay, now choose midpoint, give this as 30. Okay, and make this as construction. Okay, now give this dimension as 60. Let us choose center arc, choose center, this as radius, draw an arc, choose again center arc, place the center point, give it as 15 radius, first point and the second point. Okay, now dimension it 15 as radius. Okay, now let us join this point and these 2 points. Okay, now exit, extrude boss base. Okay, this side it's 35 and the other side it's 15. Okay, now let us choose this face, sketch, convert entities. Okay, let us choose this one, this and this. Okay, and let us 15. Okay, and join it. Now give dimension 15. Okay, now it's fully constrained. Exit from the sketch, extrude. Okay, direction up to surface, choose the surface. Okay, now let us choose the front plane, sketch, line, first point, second here, to test drive. Okay, exit, choose rib. Okay, we have created the part model. Let us choose now material, give aluminum, apply, close. Hope all enjoyed and learned something from this video. See you in the next video.